Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel DevInshal. Today I will show you how to build one animated 3D bar graph in in CSS, and I hope you'll be also enjoying this video and it will be really helpful for you because we were working with CSS and all the videos which we have uploaded previously on were on CSS, and I hope you were enjoying that videos and learned things from that. And I've also uploaded some of the small videos of HTML and CSS and make some projects, and I've also made some projects of 10 minutes that are small but really helpful for you. So see that project also from start to end. So you can learn one-to-one things about that projects, and you can also become full stack developer of that project. So these project will be really helpful for you. So remember to see this video from start to end so you can learn one-to-one thing about this video. This video will be really helpful for you, and if you are new here, so please hit a subscribe on my channel. If you are enjoying this video, please hit a like to this video. Share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn what is coding, how to do programming, and how to learn these things, and which are really important in our future life. So I hope you understand these all things. Now we'll be starting with our project. So like I've telling you, we will be just building an animated 3D bar graph in CSS, or you can say using CSS, because we were working with our CSS and we were using only one text editor when we were just working with our CSS. Like we were using Sublime text editor, and today also we will be using that text editor to work with our CSS project. So I will be opening Sublime text here, and I'll be closing all the windows which I have opened previously. Then I will be opening Sublime text from my window. When you have opened this text editor, just you have to close this, and when you have just done that, open new file, and here you have to just save the file with the same name of index.html like previously we have saved. And I will be saving it on desktop like previously when we were just saving our file. And I've telling you, like, don't save the file with the same name, because if you save the file with the same name, it will be overtaking that file which you have saved with the same name. So remember to save with different names, so your previous code should also be saved on that file. And I'm saving with the same name because I don't need of that previous file code. So because of that, I'm overtaking that file and I'm just making a new file here, and that things are not really important in my file. So because of that, I'm overtaking that. So I will be giving again the name of index.html, but if you are having same file with the same name, remember to just give another name, so it should be not overtaking that file. Now I will be saving this here, and you can see it is asking to replace because previously we have worked with this file and it is already exist on desktop. So I will be pressing yes to overtaking that. Press yes. It also give warning to you, and from warning you can understand like you have this same name file appeared on your desktop. Now I'll be zooming in, and you can see we are just getting this index.html written here. Now I will be giving this tag, and here I will be writing HTML to write my all the codes. You can see now we are getting all the codes of HTML like we want. Now we have to give the title and things we want. Just I'll be opening my browser. Index means this was my file which I was just which I have saved with the help of index.html. I'll be opening this. So this is the index file here, and I'll be opening in my Opera browser. You can see now I've opened this file in the Opera browser. I'll be closing this previous file, and I'll be opening this and doing it half a screen. Now I've opened this index.html file, and here you can see we are just getting the blank page because now we have written nothing. And you can use many text editor to work with this. So there are many text editor and many browsers. Like I am using Opera browser to open my file and work with this. And you can use Google Chrome because many of the people use Google Chrome to work with these things, and everyone use Google Chrome because Google Chrome is a default browser of many users. So because of that, they use Google Chrome. And I also suggest you to use Google Chrome if you are a beginner, so you can learn the things more perfectly and more comfortably. But I am using this Opera browser because it is having some of the latest feature and things which user wants, and I'm capable with it. But if you are but if you think it is having the features like you want to use a browser, so you can use this browser, because it is not a really good thing to use a Google Chrome, because it is also having some of the like risky things in that. So because of that, don't use Google Chrome. My opinion is also used to another browser like Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or Opera browser. But for a beginner, you have to use Google Chrome, so you can learn the things and you can just understand what things happens when you work with that. So here now we have to write the title. So here we are just writing index.html, and we will be changing the title here. And I will be now changing the title to, you can say, graph, or you can say bar graph. And now I will be giving the title of this, then I'll be saving this. Okay, so here I'll be now saving it. I'll be closing this, and now just save this file by pressing Ctrl S reload. You can see bar graph title has been appeared at the top, and that index.html has been disappeared. Now here I will be doing one thing. I'll be moving down here in this body tag, making this you can say, okay, not this thing. Just first of all we have to make a style tag if we want to work with CSS, because I've told you in previous videos also we were using the style tag to work with our CSS. So I will be making a style tag here by pressing tab and enter. Then I will be erasing this text which is written here in CSS, and I will be moving down in this style tag. Then you have to just do one thing, make this, and then make this, you can say, this thing which is called, you are defining all the things in HTML. Then I will be making this file, and here I have to just do one thing. I will be moving down in this body tag, and I will be now writing some of the tags. So here you have to just make a div, then give it the class, and here I will be writing the class of face. Then close this and copy this here and paste it 4 times. So copy this, and here I will be now paste it. And now when you paste this, I will be doing one thing. I will be taking it back and then it back. Now when you've done with that, here I will be moving down, giving it the section heading and writing that to class bar graph. So here I will be now writing. So when you've written this, here you have to just save this, and now you have to do one thing, just copy this and paste that. So here I will be now moving, and I will be pasting this down 4 times, because I want I should have 4 graphs here in my page. Because of that I'm pasting it 4 times. Now when you've done that, just you can see we are getting it. Just I'll be pressing enter to get clean code, save here. Now we are getting all the things. Just I'll be moving to style tag, and here I will be now defining the background image you can give here. So now here I will be writing the background image. You can get any background image from Google, like bar graph image I will be writing. So you can just put it, and then I'll be going to images and just take 4 bar graph images, because now we are just given 4. So here I will be taking this. It is having 5, but we will be now changing this to 5. So here just save it on desktop, so you can define same, and I will be giving the name of like graph, and it is a JPEG file, so it will be saving in JPEG. Remember to see the format, so you have to define that in your CSS, and remember to save in same location where you are saving your HTML file, so it will be really easy for you to define the location and path of your file. So now if you save in any other disk or anything, so remember to define the path of your disk where you have saved, then you have to write the name of your file. Here you can see we have written now background image. Here we have to give the URL of our image, which is called graph.jpg. You can see this is the image. Save here and reload. You can see we are getting our image at the backside. So here now we have to set our image, because we are getting 2 images, one at the left, at the right, but we don't want like that. Now I'll be copying this and pasting it 1 time more, because we are getting 5 graphs here. So now I'll be pasting it 5 times to get my 5 graphs. Save here. Then you have to just move down, then write the background attachment here, and here I will be giving the attachment of fixed. So here you have to write fixed. Save here and reload. You can see now when you've done that, just you have to move down, then write background size, which should be cover. So here I will be writing that. Save here and reload, and then give the background, and here I will be writing background repeat, and I will be writing no repeat because I don't want it should be repeat. Save here and reload. You can see now we are just getting this, and it is looking perfectly good, but it is not looking good like we want. So here I'll be doing one thing. I will be pressing X space, saving, and just doing like that, and I'll be just erasing this, saving here, and just reload. You can see now we are just getting this, and here we are just getting 5 graphs like we have just pasted in section tag. Here you can see these are the 5 graphs which we have just paste using section and div tag. So this was the graph which we have just built, and it is the 3D animated graph here you can see. And by using this style tag and using this div and section tag, we have just built this, and it is totally looking awesome, you can see. So this was the bar graph which we have just built using CSS, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed, so please hit a like to this video. If you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn. And also just remember to see this video from start to end so you can learn everything, and remember to don't to skip any of the part, because if you skip any of the parts, so it will be really difficult for you to learn the things, and it will be also having some of the problems in your code. So remember to do not to skip any part. And also you can communicate with me on my Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Discord, because I'm active on there, and you can ask any question or queries you are having. You can also comment me what things I should make in future, and what do you want from me in future, so I will be coming up with that videos. And also just remember to subscribe, because if you subscribe, so it gives motivation to me to make more videos like that and do more hard work for you. like this video, share it so many people can learn this video, and they can also just learn these programming coding languages which I am telling through my channel. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, good.